Hello, garden enthusiasts. If you're wondering how to winter-proof your garden, you're in the right place. As the days get shorter and the first frost approaches, it's time to prepare your green space for the winter ahead. Stick around as we present 7 simple steps to make your garden winter-proof. As winter approaches, it's time to shift our focus to winter garden maintenance. In today's video, we'll guide you through essential steps to ensure your garden not only survives, but thrives during the colder months. Let's dive into the 7 key tasks for effective winter garden maintenance. Our first step is making the lawn winter-proof. It's crucial to give your lawn enough breathing space over the winter for a lush green revival in spring. Start by removing tree leaves and other grass material. You can create a winter refuge for hedgehogs by piling up the leaves in a peaceful corner. Additionally, consider turning leaves and grass clippings into compost, providing your garden with nutrient-rich humus in the coming spring.